If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English or struggled to make your words flow, you are not alone. The good news is that speaking English clearly and naturally is within your reach. Here are some simple tips to help you sound more fluent and confident. Slow down and take your time. You don't need to rush. Speak slowly and clearly so people can understand you better. It's more about clarity than speed. Practice pausing after sentences to give yourself time to think. Use everyday phrases. Don't stress about sounding perfect. Use common, everyday expressions. Native speakers don't use fancy words all the time. They use simple, natural phrases. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced. Sometimes it's not just about the right words, but how you say them. Listening to native speakers, films, podcasts, etc. will help you pick up those little details. Practice regularly. Speak every day, even if it's just with yourself or repeating phrases you've learned. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel. Be confident. Mistakes are normal. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone does, and they are just part of learning. The more confident you are, the clearer and more natural your speech will be.